be days like this, mama said.
Talent. Yeah. Black Goose. Huh. My mama told me. My mama told me. Huh. My mama told me. My mama told me. Huh. My mama told me there'll be days like this. I'm a bastard child, not a son of a bitch. And soon I get paid just to talk my shit while you still on the block with the flick of your wrist. My mama said. My mama told me. My mama told me. My mama told me, nah, nigga, better yet. Mama, she had to show me. You stay too long, this might hurt your eyes. Check my portfolio, I'm so diversified. Damn, my life changed when you went to jail. Put myself through hell, almost picked up a scale. But I'm a Libra, watch me weigh that up, I swear. I seen it coming with binoculars. If you looked in the sky, you see the top is us. Can't box with the guys, ain't no topping us. So keep your phony handshakes, y'all petty, you niggas foolish. Big mouth like Eddie. We all splurged when we got that cash, 40 racks. Goddamn, we spent that fast. We should've opened up a business, baby. My mama, CEO, a business lady. Holy shit, for the bad memories, I thank Charleston is still. Fuck your feelings, so a niggas never calling on mamas. My mama told me. My mama told me. My mama told me, nah, nigga, better yet. Mama, she had to show me. Yeah. My mama, she told me. Huh. My mama, she told me. Nah, she showed me. Hey, mama, I love you, you know what I'm saying? We been through it all, they can't take nothing from us. Out of all the shit we done lost, out of all the storages, out of all the houses we lost, they still can't take shit from us, and that's on me. Black Goose. But don't even trip, though, I'ma get all that back, I promise you. That's my word as a man, that's my word as my bond. Real shit, you raised a real one, God bless you. Huh! I love you. I love you. My mama told me, nah, nigga, better yet. Mama, she had to show me.